Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This video I will guide you how to install MKT software. You can install any software that you have by it. I will guide you step by step, very simple. And let's watch the video and see how to do it. Okay, first you need to find my website. It's mktk.vn. Okay, you can get my website link in the description. Okay, and you click download the software. This is the MKT client and only one installation of own MKT software. Okay, and you download it. Okay, then you run the MKT client. Okay, and after install MKT client, you will enter your email here. And after buy any software of MKT, we will send you a message via email. You will have the password and you enter here. Okay, and next step we will set up the software that you have buy. You can switch to English. Here you can see in the left corner there are software function here. Okay, I will do for example in MKT Care. Okay, you active the software, confirm. Okay, after active the software, you will see the software in the home section here. So you just need to open the software. Okay, after active the software, you can log in and next we will set up the configuration and so that you can run it smoothly. The software have many languages, so you can choose the one that easy for you. Okay, you can see the setting function here. Okay, about the concurrent threads, you can check in the task manager. Here in performance. Okay, you look at the core information. That means this my PC should run around 14 threads. The software also can like recommend you the number of threads to run smoothly. Here you can check it. Okay, and take the bypass RAM limit check. Okay, and you tick at auto retrieve account token, retrieve account cookies, and login with cookies here. And about the browser, you can choose MKT browser or Google Chrome here. Okay, you choose MKT browser and choose the version. Now is for 143. Then you click check here. Okay, it's finished. So now you just need to input your accounts, and if you run multiple accounts, you should use proxy. I already have videos about this, so you can check in my YouTube channel. Okay, and see you in the next video. If you want me to make videos about any feature, you can comment below.